Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video today, we're going to show you how to replace a fog light bulb in a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. Now, we have our vehicle raised up. You do not need to raise the vehicle to do this. We're going to start with a flat blade screwdriver. You could also use a trim tool. We're going to take this piece of trim out, just pry underneath here. There's some clips, and it should pry right out. Clips right there, right there. It's held in like that. Okay, so we're going to take the assembly out. There's two 10mm bolts right here. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Have those out, we can pull on the fog light. There's some tabs right here. You want to slide it towards the center of the vehicle. Flip it over. There's some water in this wiring harness. We have a connector right here. To release it, we're going to push down on the tab and then wiggle it back and forth and pull it out. This is how you would change the assembly if you need to replace the whole assembly. All right, we're going to reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure there's no dirt in there. It looks okay. Just slide it on. It should lock in, just like that. Then these two slots are going to go in over here. Slide those in first and line up the holes for the bolts. And I'll take the two 10mm bolts. Get those started. And then I'll use my ratchet to tighten them down. And we'll just tighten them snug. Remember, it is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it or crack the plastic. And remember, this fog light assembly is glass, so you don't want to drop it. Now we'll reinstall this trim piece. We're going to slide this side in like that. And then push it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.